Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ivana, and today we're going to be doing something a little cool. So today we're going to be trying out a product that has been in Sephora for a really long time, and they switched the packaging. It used to look like this in one big container, and now they switched it to a cooler packaging where you can mix the two ingredients and put it in here, and then go like this with the little spatula.
I'm excited.
And then you go like this with a little spatula. So, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so ready. Let's do it.
Okay.
So it says open and remove the spatula from the lid. Okay, done. Combine step 01 super booster and step 2 liquid blah blah blah. Close the lid, cover the hole with your finger and shake well until fully mixed.
Okay, and then this one's the Hydro Liquid Ampule, and this one has blue vitamin B5 and water botanical complex. So, it's a bunch of ingredients, and now we're gonna mix them.
Okay, alright, let's do it. It says to put both at the same time, so...
We're gonna try our best.
Oh.
Crap. It's a little confusing.
Not
I'm
really.
kidding, no.
Let's just like put it, like just pour it in and then we'll mix it. Wait. I'm just gonna like swish it.
What's wrong with it? Okay, so the packaging is a little booky. First review.
Tell me what you really think.
It says shake it. Oh no,
no,
I think you're supposed to shake it inside.
When it's inside. Okay, wait.
I guess mine didn't break correctly. Okay, first problem, Dr.Jart, packaging. We're having an issue. That's not okay.
Okay, wait. It's just, I think we should just get some scissors and like actually open it.
If we're having to like low-key cut off our video to get scissors, we're in a problem. I got it.
You got it?
I just had to break it. That's not okay. I don't like this packaging.
I don't like it either.
Packaging is key.
Ah! Okay. Sips tea. Okay.
We both have our Starbucks. We're so funny.
Okay.
Okay. That's like.
Wait, I'm gonna try to squish everything out. Why?
It's still dripping. It's literally been 20 seconds. Okay. Well.
Okay. This is really messy.
Problem.
Second review. That's. Okay, wait.
Ooh, that's actually really cool.
Okay.
I'm actually kind of scared.
Oh my god. There was actually not a lot of
Do I need to get someone to like come and do this for me? Because this is a little stressful.
Okay.
We're still waiting.
Okay, so I know like there's still a lot of product in here, but I tried like
taking it out, and it's really hard. It's still leaking. That's disgusting. Ew, it actually looks like turd. Okay, now we're gonna mix it.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna mix it, and we're gonna see what happens.
It's a shake.
It's a shake?
Yeah, it's a
okay, then what's this? Oh, it's to apply.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna use a brush.
Okay, wait, no. It says, put the lid. Someone wasn't reading the instructions. Okay. And cover the hole.
And now we're gonna shake. Shake what your mama gave you.
Alright.
Oh my god, I actually saw it fly everywhere.
Okay, so packaging is not really the best. It's kind of fun though, low-key.
Not sponsored, but you know.
Alright, so we have this weird solution. Oh, that's actually like, it looks nice. Kind of. Is this enough for 2 people? Ah.
It said yeah. That's what they told me at Sephora.
So that's the solution we got.
Sephora workers, if you're lying, I follow you, so I'll come for you.
Alright, so... Okay, so you put it on first. Alright, so I'm on the Sephora website for the Shake and Shot rubber mask, and it retails for $12. It says a set of fun DIY rubbery molding masks that infuse skin with potent activities to smooth for healthy, dewy looking complexion. Let me see. It says solutions for fine lines and wrinkles, loss of firmness and elasticity, dullness and uneven texture. Okay.
I actually really like how this applies, and it feels really like calming. So that's a plus from me, even though the packaging was so confusing. I mean, it wasn't that confusing, it just didn't really like...
It didn't really work. It wasn't very like easy to put in the container because it was so small. Yeah,
and like when I'm trying to relax, I'm not trying to take 12 minutes to apply a mask. Like it should be something fast, especially if it's what, $10?
Yeah, 12.
12.
But especially for like, I think because it's a DIY, they wanted to make it fun. I like the idea of it, but
it's a cute idea. And I give you the marketing behind it, especially since you changed your packaging, but girl, please. Or even if they would have been in like small rubber containers, then it's like easier to pour. But to have to break like plastic, no thanks.
Are you done, hun?
Yeah, I think so. Okay. I look like a psychopath. So I'm drinking a passion tea. I usually drink the strawberry acai or a chai tea, but sometimes you have to switch it up. When you don't, life gets a little boring. Why not live for more?
I feel like I'm in a CoverGirl commercial. Like, okay, wait.
Why not be a baddie? I didn't have it. I can't even take myself seriously. Ow, it's itching my eyebrow. I'm kidding.
It's itching your eyebrow? I thought you were gonna say like it's in my eye or something like that. Bitch, it's itching my eyebrow. Okay. Okay.
Do we look like this yet?
We should make that like the what's that thing called that you
the thumbnail.
The thumbnail.
There's still stuff left. That's kind of really shitty. There's still stuff left in each and it doesn't come out.
You cursing your channel?
Yeah. You cursing your channel?
You cursing your channel?
So it is rubber and it's a peel off mask, which it doesn't say here.
It kind of feels so really cool. Weird. Like parts of it, it's like, okay, so it looks really patchy right now, but parts of it kind of just turned white. Like it's literally white. Transparent, and then some of them are just...
So like right here it looks white on her, but there's product and it's gonna peel off.
And also like here, I put like a lot of product and it looks wet, but it's really not.
Yeah, me too. Like here it looks wet, but it's dry on my face. And here it also looks wet, but it's dry on my face. And it's really cool because it felt cooling. Like the whole entire time it was kind of relaxing.
Yeah, it was.
So now we're gonna peel off.
Okay, so let's peel this off. Oh my God. It's so like soft.
Oh my God.
This is the weirdest thing.
Yo, why was...
It's literal rubber. Like, I don't know. Like, it's not rubber, but...
It is rubber.
It's really weird.
Woo! This is kind of really strange.
The only complaint I have is that it's so, like, sensitive that... You know how some face masks is so satisfying because, like, the whole thing just rips out in one go?
In one.
Yeah, this one kind of, you have to do it in parts.
It's kind of patchy.
Yeah.
So, look, it is kind of rubbery.
Okay, so my face feels... The only thing is that I have oily skin, and I could already tell this is...
It is really oily.
Yeah,
and I asked at Sephora, what's the best thing that I can get from them that's good for oily skin, because a lot of you guys are in the younger demographic. So I wanted something that was kind of balancing but also like hydrating. And this just feels oily.
Okay, so we're gonna rinse out our face and we'll be right back. Okay.
So now we're gonna go in with the Ole Hendrickson Balancing Toner. This is Life.
Wait, but before we put it on, how do you feel? I feel like my skin feels really smooth and like pulled back a little bit. Don't you feel it? Like it's kind of
it
like...
It does feel a little firmer. And I like that.
I like it too. I like the anti-aging like aspect of it. Okay, so overall, is it Chasdown approved?
It is Chasdown's approved.
Yeah, I
like it.
I approve it too. I feel like we were bashing on it the whole video. But like,
overall,
I liked it. Yeah, but I like it.
And like, I like the whole DIY concept. It's kind of really cool.
Yeah.
And I feel like I would buy it again just because I can like share it with someone else.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like something fun to like bring to like a sleepover or like,
yeah.
Okay, maybe
like,
not a sleepover, but like.
No, yeah, a sleepover, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're gonna, also this is like a tryout 2-in-1. We're gonna try out the.
She's never tried it out. I have. I'm actually on their PR list.
Yeah.
Thank you. Don't we love a free product?
I'm sure that I'm gonna have like an allergic reaction.
No, I promise. So this is for teenagers and young adults that have like combination skin. So it's really good at balancing your skin.
Like the oils and stuff like that.
So it's really good. Now we're gonna be going in with the Farsali Unicorn Essence. So basically these hydrate and they're really good for combination skin. Also, the Gold Elixir, I have that one too. It's not as good and I talk about it on my blog, so you can check down below for my blog. But overall, I think my skin does look better. I really like the mask and yeah.
I kind of like it too. And like all these products together just makes me feel so like refreshed. I love it.
Yeah, this is like after like a long weekend.
After a long night.
Okay guys, so if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be posting more videos soon, so I'm thinking of maybe doing it once a week. I don't know, I'm figuring it out.
Let me know in the comments.
Let me know in the comments and see you next time.